From White House to the world, the rise of dancehall's Staggy YBC. In the quiet western town of White House, Westmoreland, where the rhythm of life often mirrors the slow sway of the Caribbean Sea, a young visionary was crafting his own beat, one that would soon echo far beyond the boundaries of his hometown. Born Gavin Williams, the artist now known as Staggy YBC grew up amidst the vibrant but often gritty realities of rural Jamaican life. While others saw limitations, he saw opportunity, and that mindset would lay the foundation for what would become a remarkable journey in dancehall music. YBC stands for Young Boy City, a movement he co-founded not just as a music label, but as a cultural brand, an outlet for the ambitions of the youth around him, who, like him, hungered for more. YBC was more than a name, it was a rebellion against mediocrity. Staggy's first serious foray into music came with his 2020 release, Spinach. The song, steeped in raw energy and gritty storytelling, became an underground success and served as a wake-up call to the local music scene. A new voice had arrived, and it demanded attention. But success didn't come easy. Behind the scenes, Staggy was making bold moves to fund his dreams. He poured his resources into his music, studio time, marketing, visuals, treating his craft not just as passion, but as serious business. Every dollar was an investment in his future. In time, the fruits of that labor began to show. He leveled up his image, appearing in stylish visuals, often beside his signature white Mercedes-Benz, a symbol not just of success, but of strategy, focus, and sacrifice. While many in the industry were waiting for a big break or a cosign from Kingston, Staggy was building independently, brick by brick. He constructed his own path, even literally, investing in property and building a house that became both his home and creative base. His early catalog is a testament to his versatility. Tracks like One Campaign, Black Magic, and Pot of Gold showcased his ability to blend raw street tales with dancehall swagger while maintaining lyrical authenticity that connected with everyday Jamaicans. Staggy's lyrics often reflect the struggle behind the shine. There's a duality in his music, an understanding of hardship and a celebration of elevation. His songs speak to the youth who feel overlooked. The hustlers, the dreamers, the ones trying to rise above their environment. His 2024 release, Bad Bitch, marked a shift in tone, an ode to feminine power and independence. Dropped on Valentine's Day with a bold and glossy video, the song quickly gained traction across streaming platforms and dancehall parties alike. Not one to rest, Staggy followed up with Package and Winning, two tracks that leaned deeper into his growing confidence. The titles alone made a statement. He wasn't just surviving anymore. He was thriving. By 2025, Staggy YBC was no longer just a local figure. With each release, his reach expanded. He was performing in Montego Bay, touching down in Kingston, and making connections overseas, quietly building a bridge between grassroots Jamaica and the international stage. Despite his success, he remains rooted. In interviews, he often credits White House as the soil that shaped him. The quiet town, once considered far from the heartbeat of the entertainment capital, had now produced a rising star. Staggy's story is not one of overnight success, but of sustained hustle and self-belief. In an industry often dominated by hype and cosigns, he stood out by doing it on his own terms and in his own time. He represents a new kind of dancehall artist, self-made, digitally savvy, street smart, and culturally grounded. His brand is more than music. It's a lifestyle that speaks to ambition and ownership. As he continues to drop music and build his name, Staggy is also building a legacy for others to follow. Young artists in Westmoreland now look to him not just as a peer, but as proof that country youths can make it too. Whether behind the mic or behind the scenes, he's strategic. Every track, every video, every visual moment is part of a calculated movement, a vision far bigger than just local stardom. What started in White House is now a wave reaching new shores. Staggy YBC isn't just repping his town, he's redefining what it means to come from it. And with the confidence of someone who's carved his lane against the odds, he moves with clarity. YBC to the world isn't just a slogan, it's a prophecy in motion.